call me back on it. Huck, did we see that or something to that nature? Okay? Black belly whistling duck. Number 8, blue-winged teal. Northern shoveler.
Can you call the number?
10. Number 10, northern shoveler. Mottled duck, number 15. Green-winged teal, 17. Nothing else there. We did not see a chachalaca this morning. Anybody?
We did.
Just over by the
That's when we finished.
When we started out?
Yeah, there were a couple.
No, but just when we got
just
back.
the very end.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Okay. Number 28, plain chachalaca. Pied-billed grebe, number 32. White-tipped dove, number 39 was heard, not seen.
No Inca.
No, I didn't hear an Inca or see one. I had one when I got out of the car this morning, but we heard the white-winged dove, number 40. You got, that's right, there was some this morning over here.
Yeah,
I
right
forgot
on the-
about that. That
on
is
the
right.
heater.
Number 41, mourning dove. The only cuckoo you had was me up front. Anybody see a comment for Rocky?
Yep.
Yeah. Number 48. Into the hummingbirds. I never seen a hummingbird yet. Guys, number 62 is a Virginia rail. When I clapped that last time, there was one on my left-hand side that was going keck, 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 keck. The only thing I can figure was a Virginia rail on that one, because I've never heard a soar keck. I've only, so I'm going to put Virginia rail down as a herd bird. Tom, you heard the kecking.
Yes.
Anybody else, did y'all hear that keck, 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 keck? So number 62, Virginia rail herd. Sora, number 63. American coot, 65. Black-neck stilt, 69. American avocet. Killdeer, number 75. Stilt sandpiper, 81. Least sandpiper, 84. Long-billed dowitcher, 91. Top of the page. Spotted sandpiper, number 95. No calls. Let's see, we did have a turn. Let's see, coming on down.
One Foresters.
Forrester's turn, number 109. Yeah, it was flying over the Llano Grande, over the lake. Let's see, we had number 114, Anhinga, Neotropic cormorant, and double-crested cormorant. Number 116. American white pelican, 117. Into the herons, we had great blue heron, 121. Great egret, snowy egret, little blue heron, tricolored heron, 128, green heron, black crown and yellow crown night herons. No ibis this morning. We did have 134 roseate spoonbill. Into the vultures, we had the turkey vulture, 136. Whitetail kite, 138. Not seeing a Harris's hawk. Any other hawks, anybody?
Northern Harrier.
That's right, Northern Harrier. What number?
141.
141, there it is. Thank you. 141, Northern Harrier. Top of the page. Eastern Screech Owl, 154, and be sure to put it down as a McCall's. If you eBird, there's a place on eBird to put McCall's Eastern Screech. into the kingfishers. Some of us got on the green kingfisher, number 161. Woodpeckers, we had the golden fronted woodpecker. Anybody get a ladder back this morning? I did not either. No. Okay, into the falcons. American kestrel or not? No. No parrots. Into the the tyrant flycatchers. Wow. We had a kingbird, but I never heard it call.
Never did, so it's going down as a tropical flight of couches. We did have Kiskadee.
Did I go over top of it?
Yeah.
What number?
Go up right, I think.
Oh yeah, 190, Great Kiskadee. Now on the kingbird, there's a spot where it's tropical / couches. You can add that. Now when we go back into the tropical zone, if you come back with me, we probably will hear the couches and Cave swallow 216. Anybody get titmouse? I have not seen a titmouse this morning. Anybody? No. Okay, into the wrens. Heard a house wren, number 220. You may or may not have heard that one. Carolina? Did we have Carolina this morning? No.
Didn't hear it.
Nope,
no.
not yet. No gnatcatchers, no kinglets.
Half of us had a Savannah sparrow while you guys were up at the top of the levee.
Okay.
Sometimes it pays to be slow.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's a good place for the savannas. They like that graveled edges up on the levee there. Okay. Coming down into blackbirds, yellow-headed blackbirds, 273.
Yes.
No orioles yet. Anybody see a red-winged blackbird?
Just a few.
Yeah, 283, number 283 red-winged. We had a brown-headed top this morning, brown-headed over here under the feeder.
We
Number
actually had 2
285.
males and a female. So
Great-tailed grackle, 288. Into the wood warblers. The only thing I got was the common yellowthroat, 3. Nothing else there. Into the cardinals and grosbeaks. We had a northern cardinal, 332.
counting the tropical spot, you got 64.
64 species.
Not bad.
Hopefully, when we go back to the tropical area, we may be able to add another 15 or 20 species if you want to go. If you're not going to be joining me, thanks so much for coming. We'll be back there approximately 45 minutes to an hour. Yes, welcome.
We saw 64 species
You're
of
welcome.
bird
Thanks for
today.
coming.
Pretty cool.
You get your driver's license back. We get the back. Everybody good?